not photography. This is vlogging.
Vlogging. Hello. So finally, it's his vlog. I'm in his vlog. Okay, and it's his convocation.
Okay. It's vlogging time. So if someone, Nityam, today is our convocation day.
Yes.
So we are so much grateful for throughout our journey. So please say something for us for the last day
For the
from Chitkara.
When I met him for the first time, when I came over here in Chitkara University in 2023, when I met him for the first time, there was a good vibe
Good
in
vibes.
him.
Yeah.
Good vibes. I
And we
felt.
have spent a lot of times together.
Yeah, especially in hostel.
In
Hostel days were.
and then flats.
Yeah.
So lot of memories we will recollect in future.
Yes.
Maybe. So,
And I want to just say
Yeah.
you congratulations on
Thank
your
you so
convocation
much. Yeah.
and have a pleasant future ahead in your life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your appreciation.
Yeah.
And here, Sharaf sir, one of my favorite sir, actually who supported us throughout our academic journey, throughout whenever we faced any kind of difficulties, any kind of problems, sir always supported us a lot. So please, sir.
I wish Topol a very congratulations for his degree in civil engineering. So I wish him all the best for his future. We'll be meeting him anytime, anywhere. We'll be connected in
Yes,
social
sir.
media
We'll
also.
be connected, sir.
Please take care.
For
We
long.
miss you.
Yeah, sir.
It's been a wonderful journey in Chitkara University. Take care
So, yeah.
and all the best for today.
So thank you for so much for your appreciation, sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your support. Yeah, thanks. Oh, okay.
Give me the
Now
mic.
this is vlog time once again. Nitam want to say something again.
Just a second.
for
Let
us?
me.
Just a second. Just wait for few seconds, guys. Actually, he's preparing the mic. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's done now. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mic
So,
check. Mic check.
Mic check.
I don't know if my sound is coming or not. It's coming clearly or not. It's fine. So I planned.
अरे फोटो खींच लिया था फोटो भी खींचने मिलता है वीडियो
This is not photo. Actually, the video is
Okay.
ongoing.
What I thought was, let's make it.
He's gonna make chicken today.
Chicken party.
Yes.
Let me speak, guys. Let me speak, guys.
That will be the convocation party.
Yeah.
Convocation
I thought
special chicken party.
हमारा चितकारा का नेता हेल्थ साइंस का
Chitkara
because
ka one
it was-
and only
because-
Nepalese king.
because this vlog was going so much. मतलब बहुत formal जा रहा था, so I want to make it informal.
Informal.
I want to make it more raw. So
So, हाँ. कैसा लग रहा है मेरे को?
जच रहा है
कैसा दिख रहा है? दिखाइए थोड़ा ऑडियंस को दिखाइए क्या मैं कैसा ड्रेस अप था मेरा.
you know one thing, guys. He is looking like a Bihar का नेता.
बिहार का नेता.
लालू
Actually, I
यादव
want to be. I want to be.
लालू यादव का पीए लग रहे हैं. Okay.
I
To
want
be
to be a
honest,
leader. I want to get into a leadership role. That's why I am preparing myself like this.
so are you saying you want to get into the leadership role? It
Yeah,
means you are saying that you want to go into politics,
Not
Bangladesh politics.
In any organization, like if I want to, I mean, there are some top management roles, leadership roles in each and every organization, right? So if I want to get
Guys,
into that
vote.
leadership role,
Guys,
then
guys,
I
guys,
have to
guys,
be like
guys.
this, like neta types, neta
Guys,
vibes.
guys, vote for Topul Rai. Okay,
Oh,
if he
that's
comes,
done, that's
if
done.
he
I think the vlog will be too long. The audience will be get
if
bored.
he becomes the prime minister of Bangladesh, then
No, I don't
Then-
want to be like that. That is too much. That is out of my capacity.
but to be honest, this guy has been.
I belong from a simple middle class family, so that kind of.
So that's done from me. Have a good future ahead. Don't forget, you have a brother in India from Nepal. Okay, and don't forget us. Keep calling us. Keep remembering us, right? And keep surprising us. And guys, keep surprising us as you surprised this time.
What kind of surprising you have seen?
Literally, guys. One thing I want to say you. Okay, this guy, he kept vlog of traveling. He was in flight. He kept his story. Okay,
You know,
fine.
I'm
And literally, what I thought was he's going somewhere else. I didn't had an idea that he's coming to our flat. He's coming near us. So
Yeah.
this was a biggest surprise. When I saw him, I was like,
like,
wow,
like
shocked. Nice. But
come man, this type of surprise. Keep
continuing this type of surprises.
Surprises.
Okay, and keep making delicious,
Chicken
delicious chicken curry for us. Not only chicken curry, he cooks really well. He not only
Thank you.
cooks, food, but he cooks his manners also. So be aware. Okay, guys, this is done from
This
me.
is
Bye
done
bye.
from